Intro, with cinematic footage of the Caterpillar D29 2026 rolling across rough terrain, slow-mo dirt kicks, diesel engine rumble, underneath upbeat rock. Tech music. What if I told you the king of compact dozers just got even better? Because today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated machines in Caterpillar's next-gen lineup, the Caterpillar D29 2026. This beast is smarter, leaner, and more powerful than ever before. Whether you're in construction, mining, forestry, or just a hardcore machinery enthusiast, what Cat has pulled off with the new D29 is going to leave your jaw on the ground, and we're going to show you exactly why. Now, before we even turn the key, just look at it. The lines are sleeker, the geometry is tighter, and the new LED light package screams next level. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. Caterpillar has redesigned the D29 from the ground up to meet the demands of modern operators. And trust me, it shows. Let's talk powertrain. Under the hood, you're getting the all-new CATC 4.6 engine. It's a turbocharged Tier 4 powerhouse that delivers up to 130 net horsepower. That's a serious step up in torque delivery compared to the previous D2 generation. But the real magic isn't just in brute force, it's in how smart this dozer is with that power. The new electronically controlled hydrostatic transmission doesn't just respond, it anticipates. You get smoother turns, faster blade response, and near-instant acceleration when you're climbing steep grades or pushing heavy loads. And yes, it's efficient. Thanks to Cat's intelligent engine management system, fuel burn is reduced by up to 15% in most job site conditions. Operators will notice it, but owners and fleet managers are really going to love that kind of savings over the course of a year, especially in tight urban construction zones or long-haul forestry routes. Every drop of diesel counts, and the D29 is designed to make every drop work harder. Now let's step inside, because the operator station, wow, just wow. Caterpillar isn't playing around when it comes to comfort and control in 2026. The newly designed cab offers 15% more glass visibility, with a lower sloped hood and repositioned exhaust to give you crystal clear sightlines in every direction. Whether you're grading a finished pass or backing up with a full blade, visibility is no longer a guessing game. But that's not all. The new touchscreen display touchscreen's intuitive, customizable, and packed with diagnostics. You've got real-time fuel tracking, blade pressure stats, GPS alignment assist, and even remote software updates through Cat's VisionLink system. That means your D29 stays current, adaptive, and field-ready without a trip to the shop. Pair that with the optional Cat Command remote control system, and you've got a dozer that's ready for unmanned operation from miles away. That's not science fiction. That's the 2026 D29. Let's talk steel. The D29 chassis is still built with the same legendary durability that's made Cat the industry leader for nearly a century. The undercarriage has been upgraded with reinforced track guides and sealed and lubricated track rollers that can now go nearly 2,000 hours longer without needing major service. That's right, less downtime, more uptime, and fewer headaches. For your maintenance crew, for companies running multiple machines in rugged terrain. That kind of reliability is a game changer. And when it comes to grading precision, the D29's advanced stable blade system is on another level. It uses gyroscopic sensors, predictive AI, and terrain mapping to help you keep grade even when working across uneven ground or debris. And it's so smooth, even new operators can pull off finished grade passes that used to require years of experience. This is where technology meets performance in the best possible way. Attachments. You bet. The 2026 D29 supports a massive range of hydraulic and mechanical tools, from rippers to winches to forestry mulchers. The quick attach system is faster and stronger, letting you swap tools in minutes instead of hours. Plus, integrated auxiliary hydraulics are now fully programmable. So switching from a ripper to a grader blade doesn't require manual flow adjustments. Everything is smart, responsive, and operator-friendly. And now, let's talk about something every operator quietly dreams of: comfort. The new seat. Fully adjustable air suspension with memory settings and built-in heating and cooling. The controls, joystick or dual lever, depending on your setup, and both are pressure set. With ultralight touch response, vibration dampening has been doubled. Cabin noise reduced by 40% compared to the 2022 model. And even the HVAC system has gotten an overhaul for faster cabin climate control. So whether you're working in 100 degrees in Arizona or frostbite conditions in northern Alberta, the D29 has got your back. Now, I know some of you are wondering, how much does all this cost? Well, pricing is always going to vary by region and configuration, but base models are starting around $215,000 USD, with fully loaded GPS integrated units going up to around $265,000. And yes, that's a big investment. But if you factor in the fuel savings, the reduced maintenance, the faster job cycle times, and the long-term reliability, this machine can pay for itself faster than most in its class. especially when you factor in operator retention. Because let's face it, putting your team in a machine they actually enjoy running keeps them motivated, reduces fatigue, and ultimately boosts site productivity. So who is this machine for? If you're running a mid-sized construction firm, expanding a forestry operation, or need a grading powerhouse that's nimble enough for city work but tough enough for the bush, this is your machine. It's not oversized, not underpowered, and definitely not behind the times. It's right where modern equipment should be in 22.6. In short, the Caterpillar D29 2026 is more than a dozer. It's a statement that power doesn't have to come at the cost of efficiency, that tech can enhance tradition, not replace it, that smart machines can still be hard as nails, and that when Caterpillar drops a new model, they don't just tweak the old, they build the future. So there you have it, the new D29. More than muscle, more than metal. It's the next generation of earth-moving, and it's here. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more heavy machinery reviews, and let us know in the comments what you want us to test next. Maybe a D11 face-off, or a full operator challenge in the field. Name it, we'll bring it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. End screen fades in with subscribe button, related video links, and background footage of the D29 pushing a load uphill, kicking up dust and golden hour light.